We'll be discussing Poser 7, the latest release, using PC references, although the program is available for Mac as well. So first of all, let's talk about setting preferences in Poser. To open the program, just double-click on the icon, and this will launch you to what's called a factory setting. This launches to the Poser factory state, which is what we're looking at now. To change the launch behavior, change the scene to the one you prefer, then go to Edit, General Preferences, Launch Behavior. If you want your Poser 7 interface to revert to its original default location and size whenever you launch Poser, just select the Launch to Factory State button.